Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to visit Miss Erica. Miss Erica, grateful Miss Erica. We can't just come over here, so we have to park and walk. And look, plum. Look at that red one. Look at the red one up there. Plum and cherry. This plum. Them are fully ripe, but them can't eat. This is Miss Erica's house. Miss Erica? Good evening.
Hey, baby.
She alright, man.
Praise
She
God.
alright.
So,
So
look up.
me carry your groceries,
Oh,
man.
God. Poor me Auntie Shani. I know the week me dey on veranda sit down and cry and pray for you. Oh, God. God
Yeah.
bless you, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
God
like
bless you too. So,
You was like a mother to me. Oh,
yes, man. All of the things them where you like.
yes, ma'am. Me know say you will look out for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Praise God.
You remember the lady who sent you the curtain them? You're the nice lady from Florida.
Okay. So
She's
remember,
the one.
she's the one.
Yes, ma'am.
The nice lady from Florida. Miss Erica, thank you so much. May God ever bless you, baby. You don't know what you're doing for me, but God know what you're doing for me. May God ever bless you. I love you so much. I ask Father God to ever step with you. Every step you step to step with you and give you long life. May God ever bless you for what you're doing for me. And Auntie Shan is so faithful to me. I love her so much. May God ever bless her too and give her long life. And every step she step with her.
You too, Miss Erica. You were telling me about the paint for the veranda.
Yes, ma'am. Any nice person out there could give me a tin of paint for my veranda, I would thankful so much. And God would bless them so much.
Yes, it's pink, right?
Pink, yes, it is pink.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is pink. I would so happy to have it.
So how is your eyesight since not using the wood fire anymore and you have your gas stove and all those
Well,
things?
oh my God, Auntie Shan, I won't tell you. Every step of the way is on God. It's only you and God know what I'm saying to you is the truth. Because you see that veranda there, every
Let me
day,
help on this thing.
every day is God in my life, for I have no one.
So your eyes now bother you since you start use the gas stove and
No,
you're not
ma'am,
use.
no, ma'am. Since me use it,
So your eyesight good.
yes, yes, it's just you me see in front of me. Every go me go before the stove, it's just you.
Okay.
May God ever bless you, baby. You're so faithful to me.
Yes, yes. God bless you.
Sometimes I don't even have the money to buy the medication. And it's she me come to. It's Auntie Shani me come to. And she give me the money to buy the medication. She's so faithful. She's so loving. She's so kind to me. May God ever bless her.
You're gonna make me cry, Miss Erica.
No, no.
Alright, God bless you too, Miss Erica.
God bless you, Auntie Shani. I love you so much. I
Love you
cannot
too.
explain. It's like a mother to me. It's only you and Father God. I have no one to see me through. Only you and God. See it up here, so the black piece here. So you see how we black?
Oh, it rotten in.
It rotten, it a go drop off.
Okay. A lenta board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We
okay.
call your name, Auntie Shani. Me say if it wasn't you, me would have to do a farm where Ainel is because the whole house was underwater.
Yeah.
And it's just you. Come and change the roof for me. As me would have to their farm where my sister is. Auntie Sean, I know that God going to give you long life because I pray for you. And I know my God is with me. I went to bed one night and it's the loudest voice I ever hear in my sleep. He said, why worry when you can pray? Because I know that his prayer good I do from my born. I take people, children, and I grow them, I school them, I church them. And if anybody sick and me can jump around and help them. Up to the other day, me sit on the chair and me I say Kai sick and Kai is sick down there and me sick. I go down there, go wash 2 big line of clothes for her. All 2-3 times for the day, brother Kanti can tell me if they are shop for her.
Yeah.
So I am just that type person.
Yes.
Yes, oh God. Thank you, Auntie Sharon.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.
To where you wanna be in your life, the weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take 'em, but you figure it out, yeah.